No, we come to Bowness.
In the rain.
In the rain. It's raining in the Lake District, would you believe? I knew there was a reason we're coming here. Where are we then?
I think we're past
here.
that, didn't we? The old,
Yeah, past the old John Peel Inn, didn't we?
yeah, and the one we're going to, the Pig and something.
I suppose that.
That's well, it's used to be called the New Royal Inn, I think.
Oh, is it? So it's changed the name? Right,
Yeah.
so we're going there.
So we've been to any of the others.
Well, I think so. One or two. Not up at Penrith, are we?
No.
Newby Bridge. Hawkshead. Yeah, been to one or two of them, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice little gallery in here, isn't it? Oh, good. It's not really us, this is at gift shops. They're all stocked up for Christmas, I think, aren't they? Got some hats there. Okay, back from a little trip to Bowness, last day of the holiday, and what do we think?
What do we think of the holiday?
Yeah.
Well, we enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yeah.
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 Shame Bob and Aileen had to go back, so early.
Yeah, well, they're only here for 2 days, weren't they?
Yeah.
They had problems getting here, and he had a problem with a car, and an engine management light came on, and he had to stop and get the RAC man to come over, and they couldn't find anything wrong, could they? So they set off again, and they didn't get here till about half.
It was getting dark. It was
Getting
at
dark,
least half past 4.
Yeah.
From about 8:30 in the
Morning,
morning.
yeah.
So
Yeah, so he had a really long journey, and
then the what's it collapsed, didn't it? He
managed to drop the caravan. Yeah, I shouldn't be saying this, should I, Bob? If you're watching,
he dropped his
Jockey wheel.
jockey wheel, yeah,
and collapsed. So we all had to get that back up. So he had the day from hell, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they didn't have a good start, and they had a bit of a family crisis, and they've had to go back a day early, haven't they?
Yeah.
So so not good for them, but
We've had a.
we're done all right.
We've been here since.
I put on about a stone in weight, I think.
Yeah. we're here since Wednesday, haven't we? So
Yeah.
7 nights.
7 nights. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last night tonight.
Yeah.
We went to Cartmel, didn't we?
Yeah.
On Thursday.
Yeah.
Bought the cheese and
Yeah, that was
beer.
nice. Yeah.
And then Friday you arrived, didn't you?
we?
Yeah. And we went to Silverdale
Hotel.
Hotel for lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was very nice. Saturday, what do we do Saturday?
We went to the Motor Museum.
Motor Museum,
The lake.
And then to the wheat chaff at Brigstead.
Yeah.
That's right,
That
yeah,
was
it was a really nice meal.
Yeah, we did a bit of pre-Christmas shopping today, didn't we? So
Yeah.
didn't film too much of that. It's very busy, Bowness, isn't it?
It's really busy.
Busy little place. That pub's nice. So
Flying Pig.
Flying Pig, recommend that. If you're
Very dog friendly. You can take the dogs in the restaurant as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I with poor little Tara, they were ringing like a doorbell, weren't they,
For
when
the
the food
food.
was ready.
Yeah.
And she thought that was our doorbell and her mum coming to collect her.
Yeah. So she was crying, thinking her
Yeah.
mum was coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're all right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
And fireworks? Fireworks?
Fireworks. Well, yeah. We. What was the worst night? I think it was Saturday, wasn't it?
Yeah. When they had the big displays around
Cartmel, wasn't it?
Cartmel and Arnside, which is just across the bay from us.
Yeah. So that it wasn't too bad. It was just in the distance. Tara was a little bit worried to start with, but we sort of got her cuddled up, and she was all right after that. But after that, we've not had any real panics or anything.
No. She was all right last night, but there was sort of like bangs.
Yeah.
They were in the
Going
distance,
off, but they were in the
weren't
distance,
they?
and-
So
She wasn't worried. No.
No, no.
Just hope they're not back when we go home.
Yeah, you probably can't see her. But she's fast asleep down here. Can you come and join us?
No, she's quite happy. I've made myself a little pillow.
It's got a little bed here. I'll show you before we go. So we're sort of sitting here having a coffee, thinking about next adventures, aren't we?
Yeah. So we've started a little bit of planning, haven't we, for next year?
Yeah.
Obviously, we've got shows. We've got nothing planned for January yet, apart from when we come back from Moffat.
No.
February, we've got the shows, haven't we? We've got the Glasgow show and the NEC show.
Yeah.
I'll probably go down to the event city because it's local to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the Manchester
so you'll
one.
film that?
Yeah, I'll do a bit of filming down there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's the Manchester one. That's towards the end of January, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So watch out for that. If you haven't subscribed to Glyn's channel, please do that. I'll put the link up here somewhere. There. And, follow him. He does a lot of films out and about. You did call it out and about with.
I did call it out and about with Shaz originally, but I've changed it to the Beckwiths.
The Beckwiths.
It's a bit easier for people to remember.
Yeah. But Glyn joins us in a lot of our adventures, so obviously you can get a different view on it sometimes, can't you?
Yeah. That's right.
Which is interesting. So subscribe to Glyn's channel. Wales was the.
Well, Wales is the trip we're planning in May, isn't it?
Yeah.
Starting at. I mean, I haven't got a map here, unfortunately, but
no, you've got your database.
I've got my database, yeah.
Yeah, get that. I've got to log in again. Oh, there we go. So we got it on Microsoft Access. So do you want to tell you what we're planning?
Well, we're planning to go to Anglesey first of all.
Yeah.
And I'm going to get the pronunciation of that wrong, so it's
Penross. Silent H.
Right. Which is
on Anglesey.
Yeah, Caravan and Motorhome Club site.
Yeah.
3 nights there, and then going to, and you pronounce this one.
Coediclin.
Yeah, we've been before, which we really like.
Yeah.
Well, you've been there as well, haven't you?
Yeah, we've been there as well.
Yeah.
And then Shoresmead at Aberon,
yeah.
Yeah, 2 nights. Freshwater East,
yeah.
Which we've been to before, but it's recently been done up, and new toilet blocks.
Yeah.
Really nice, big beach there. And then coming back through the Brecon Beacons. And
we haven't been to the Brecon Beacons before, have we?
No, we haven't.
No. And last one on that is Ebury Hill, isn't it?
Yeah, but we're not sure about the last stop, are we? We're not sure whether we're going to tour of Fest yet.
Yeah, we're not sure we're going to Dan Trudgeon's meet-up, which was called Trudge Fest. It's no longer called Trudge Fest.
No, because it's not Dan organising it now, it's other people are organising it. So it's called Tour of Fest now.
Okay, so not sure if we're going to that yet.
Or Ebury Hill.
There's a possibility of doing a meet-up at Ebury Hill with some people as well, isn't there?
So we could be split between 2 meet-ups.
Which could be difficult. So we'll
got to go one or the other,
so
we'll have to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we've got planned.
Yeah.
Amongst us. Yeah. Apart from Easter, we're thinking of going to Hawes. Well, we've booked to go to Hawes.
Yeah, we've booked Hawes, haven't we?
Yeah.
And then you're going down to the Motorhome show at Peterborough from there, aren't you?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, the Motorhome and camper van show, I think it's called now, isn't it? Yeah, at Peterborough.
Yeah, so the rest of it was
How many years have you been going there, Bob?
We think about 15 years.
Yeah.
Because we had a motorhome back in 2003. No, 14 years, I think. I think we went the first time in 2004.
After we bought our own one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a must in the calendar, you don't miss it.
Well, I don't miss it, no. It's generally good, and enjoy that. Weather can be variable that time of year, April.
Camped once, didn't we? And we
picked
picked the rotten weather year because it was really
we famously
really
got stuck
wet.
in a field, didn't we? And had to get a tractor to tow us and the up out as well. So that was fun.
But since before that and since then, we're going to Ferry Meadows, haven't we? And we booked Ferry Meadows for the time of the show already.
Yeah.
Which you can do up to a year in advance now, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that sort of plans we've been thinking about.
Yeah.
And then your other news is about the van, isn't it?
Yeah. Some of you have been following us will know about the motorhome, that we damaged it on a motorway in Belgium, or rather a piece of mudguard damaged it on a motorway in Belgium, and it's cracked the plastic moulding under the door. So I've gone through the insurance. I've got horrendous excess on damage, so I'm paying about half of the repair. So something to check on your insurance when you look at insurance. So that's booked in on the 21st of this month, November, to be repaired. Hopefully it should only take a few days, so we should have it back by the end of November.
And then it goes for a weekend to have its habitation.
Yeah, then
mid-December.
Mid-December is getting the habitation and
MOT
and the MOT and the service as well. So it's going to be an expensive month for us, isn't it? December.
Isn't it?
Plus Christmas.
Plus Christmas. It's
plus Christmas, yeah.
Brilliant timing, isn't it?
I think we'll have to sell Tara.
Again.
Yeah. So any donations are gratefully received. But yeah. So
that's about it.
That's about it for now, isn't it?
Go home tomorrow, we all do.
Yeah. Make our way back home, and get in the Christmas down, whatever. People shaking their heads here.
Starts too early and goes on too long.
Yeah, I mean all the shops we've been in today, they're all got the Christmas decks out.
Yeah.
I mean, you just get rid of the
Halloween
stuff. The Christmas stuff's there. By the time it gets to Christmas, you're fed up.
Yeah, I know,
and as soon as Christmas is over, they've got the
Easter stuff.
Easter,
yeah. I know. I understand why.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's it. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and we'll and hit the notifications icon if you want regular updates about what we're up to. And, and we've got a few sort of help type videos coming out as well soon, so keep an eye out for those. We'll try and do a few videos aimed at beginners, because I know a lot of our new subscribers are beginners to motorhoming. So we'll sort of take you back to the basics and like water and electricity.
Toilets,
yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going to do a joint one on toilets as well, aren't we? So
yeah.
So watch out for those, and we'll catch up with you soon.